Here's how to fix if iMessage is signed out on your iPhone. Now let's first head into the settings here on your phone. We'll scroll to the very bottom and tap on apps. From here, we need to find the Messages app here. So let's scroll down to Messages and tap on that. And you can see here iMessage. Now I want to turn this off and just wait a few seconds and then turn it back on to reactivate it. You can see waiting for activation, and it will go through the process of activating iMessage again. After we've done that, let's tap on send and receive. And you want to make sure that it is selected your phone number here. So keep in mind, you can have an email address selected as well, but you want your phone number to be listed and selected. After we've done that, let's just go back out of here to the very beginning. We will scroll up, tap on general, and then scroll to the bottom. Let's hit transfer or reset iPhone, and then reset. From here, you can see the second option, reset network settings. Tap on that. And a lot of times this fixes bugs or glitches with activating iMessage and using iMessage. So it says this will delete all of your network settings and bring them back to factory default. Just go through this process. Now, if either of these don't fix it, the next thing I would recommend doing at the very bottom is hit the shutdown button. You'd be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and then turning it back on will fix a lot of bugs and glitches on your phone. The next thing I would recommend doing at the very top is hitting software update and just checking to see if there's a software update. Again, a lot of times bugs or glitches are just fixed by updating to the latest version. You can see iOS 18.2.1 is the latest public release iOS operating system. Now, the last thing I would recommend doing is heading into a web browser, and we will just type in Apple system status. You want to make sure it's not an issue with Apple themselves. So go to system status here, and you're going to open this up to see if all services are operating normally. And you want to scroll down, and here we go. You want to get to iMessage, and it should say available here. If it says failed or that it's down or there's some issue with iMessage, then essentially you just need to wait until Apple gets their servers back up and running. Usually within an hour to 3 hours, everything should be back up and running, and you should be good to go to use iMessage to send and receive texts. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.